Hey guys, we're over at Avenue Sound, Freeport, New York. We have a 2013 Ford Escape SEL that had the original 8-inch touchscreen in here. Went ahead and removed that and installed a Pioneer. Let me show you what it looks like. So this Pioneer unit, the reason why we ended up putting it in was because it has Apple CarPlay, has Bluetooth hands-free, has Bluetooth wireless music. We can add a backup camera to it. These are all things that the customer didn't have before. They just had basic sync and touchscreen. So you go ahead and see on screen your maps, your messaging, and we can go ahead and talk to Siri if we'd like to as well. Hey Siri, take me to Avenue Sound in Freeport.
Getting directions to Avenue Sound.
Now this is something that Sync cannot do for you. We can also do music that way, messaging that way, phone calls that way. We retain the volume and station controls on the steering wheel. We can do answer and end off the steering wheel, and now we can get the customer reverse and front camera. Again, this is done here at Avenue Sound, Freeport, New York. Visit us on the web at www.avenuesound.com, Facebook, YouTube, or follow us on Twitter. Thank you.